Hello and welcome. We are here today for an unboxing video. And what will we be unboxing? Today we have two Rise of the Floodborn booster boxes to unpack. So this is the second edition for Lorcana. I know it has been a while and we are now in set 5, almost up to set 6. But this is an interesting set. It has been seeing more play lately. When it got out, people didn't like it very much, but now it has a lot of interesting cards. So let's see how it all holds up on today's market. So let's start opening up the box. Here we have our packs. So let's grab the first line of boosters here and see what we get. First booster opening. I'm gonna do 3 piles here, so commons and commons. Our first rare is Lucifer. And an eye. Oh, and a Teeth and Ambitions foil. That's a nice one. Put the foil ones up here. I'm just gonna skip quickly through the commons and uncommons. Alright, so Madame Mim. This one is a very played card, so it's part of the bounce package. Okay, and we got a super rare Namari and the foil. Let's put it up here. Florence. Okay, a Dragon Gem and a Ratigan for our foil. It is a common this time. We have a Kronk and the Yzma. Alright, this card also sees some play sometimes. Oh, and the legendary foil. Look, it's a Fairy Godmother. Nice. For a rare Pectatics, Gruesome and Green, and a foil Grumpy. Got a Cobra Bubbles for the first rare, and the Queen. This one also sees play, sometimes in songs. And the foil Poo. Now for the rares, the Falling Down the Rabbit Hole. Oh, and another Fairy Godmother, this time a normal one. And we got, oh, look at this guy, Bucky, a foil Bucky from the second set. This card is actually banned, but I think the foil is actually worth something. We'll check it out afterwards. So down to our last pack from the first row of the box. Let's see what we get. So commons here, uncommons, and the first rare is Honestron, and then a Cheshire Cat. Oh, sorry, mess this one up. And a foil Mulan, foil rare. Nice. Let's go to the second row of boosters. Okay, let's see, I already got 2 legendaries so far, the same, but still, not gonna complain. What else? Commons. Okay, the world's greatest criminal mind. This one also sees play. Winnie the Pooh and Painting the Roses Red in foil. Okay, keeping up, moving on from the commons, uncommons. And we have a super rare Mickey and another legendary, so it's a Snow White. This is also an interesting one to get. And the last stand has an uncommon foil. Okay, we have 3 legendaries so far. Let's see if we can get an enchanted as well, it would be nice. Okay. So for the first rare on this pack we got the Sorcerer's Spellbook and the Tuk Tuk. Oh, and another foil rare, which is Gaston, Intellectual Powerhouse. Nice. Let's go. Keep going. Okay, first rare is Goofy. Sleepy's Flute. This one used to see some play in the Songs decks. And the Dr. Facilier foil. Let's go. This set actually has a lot of playables now. In the beginning not so much, it was mostly the purple package, but now lots of cards. I've seen play from this set. Lawrence, Bucky not anymore. Alright, so another interesting rare. So it's Prince John. So good cards. And the Madame Mim. 4 rares here. And the Mickey mini file. Okay, commons, uncommons, and first rare. It's a Tiana, super rare actually, and the Grand Pavy, as well as super rare, and the Panic as our foil. Okay, let's see. Commons. I'm sure I'll drop these piles of cards before the end of the video, but let's try and tidy them up a bit. Commons. Okay, first rare, Prince Charming, and another legendary, Namari. Okay, so we are up to 4 legendaries now, and the foil mini. Okay, last pack from the middle row. Okay, the rare is Dinner Bell and the Chief Buggo. Oh look, and the Stormray John foil. Nice. Okay, let's go to the final row of this box. Let's see what we got. The Queen, first rare, Mrs. Judson, and another legendary, so it's Sisu, the Divine Water Dragon. See, okay. First rare, it's Perplexing Signposts and Basil as the second rare. Uncommons, and our first rare here is Lumiere and the Strength of the Raging Fire. This is also a good card that has been seen a lot of play. Oh, and the Banjo foil, also a good one that sees play. again. Now for the uncommons. And the first rare, a Little John, loyal friend. And the Chaya, leader of the hearts. Oh, nice. And the foil rabbit. This one is also a very played card, which is good. We're getting down to the last packs of the first box. Let's see what else we get here. Oh, another rabbit. Nice. So this one is normal this time. A Mulan again. And the common foil. Okay, commons. Uncommons. And another Gaston. A Peter Pan's Shadow. This card is actually also interesting. And another foil legendary. Nice, 2 in the box. So this is Belle, Eden Archer. Let's put it up here. We have already 6 legendaries. Not bad for the box. Not bad. And some nice rares as well. Right, another Teeth and Ambitions, the Huntsman, and the Caterpillar foil. So last pack from the first box. No enchanted this time, but 6 legendaries. I think I cannot complain too much. Okay, so the first rare is Ratigan's Marvelous Trap, Dr. Facilier, oh, and the Pawpsicle foil. This one also sees a lot of play, and in foil, it's interesting. Right, so that was the first box. Okay, so for the legendaries, we got normal ones, a Sisu, an Amari, a Snow White, and a Fairy Godmother. And for foils, a Belle and a Fairy Godmother as well. And on the rares, we got some foils here as well. So the best one I would say is this one, Merlin. And yeah, quite a few interesting rares here. So this one's his play, this one's his play as well. Rabbit for sure, Strength of Raging Fire. We had somewhere Prince John, yeah, this is some play as well. Spellbook, this one. And the Fox, yeah, it was one of the first ones we pulled, yeah. So there's a lot of cards here on this set that actually see play, even in commons and uncommons. Like all the purple package or the princesses package is here. So yeah, it's an interesting set. So let's go into the next box and see what else we get. A legendary, hopefully, but, or an enchanted, I mean. Let's see. So looking at the first. Oh, missed one. There we go. Commons, uncommons, and the Gaston, and another Teeth and Ambitions. Cool. And this is the uncommon foil. So apart from the enchanteds, the good hits here would be like Beast, Mufasa, oh, and the foil rare here, and I don't recall the other ones apart from the rare ones like the rabbit and all that I did. I think that's more or less it. Let's see. Okay, Pete, another Miss Judson, and Tiana. Okay, yeah, this one also sees play. We have had a lot. Okay, Cinderella, this one is a good one. Also sees play in the songs deck. And Amari, Raya, I mean. And oh, nice one. First super rare foil we had, and it's a Cogsworth. This is also a card that sees a lot of play. So yeah, this set has quite a few ones here on the rares and the super rares that have been seeing more play since the set was released. So that's why I decided to get these boxes and see how we do. Okay, Perplexing Signpost and the Lumiere. Foil is You Can Fly. Okay, another Strength of the Raging Fire, good cards, and the Peter Pan's Shadow. And another part of the bounce package in foil this time, so Merlin, the crab. Okay, another Little John. Oh, and the Mufasa. This one is very nice. Nice card. Okay, I'll add it here. And the foil. Another rabbit. We're almost at 4 now. Oh, and the foil Cinderella. Nice. Nice hit. Okay, that was the first row of boosters from the second box. Let's go to the second. Okay, a Hercules, Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo, and the Prince Naveen foil. Okay, first rare it's Christopher Robin, second one is Maurice Workshop, and a foil rare again, so it's Pete. Okay, a Merlin is the first rare. Second one is a super rare, King Louis, and Virana as a foil common. Okay, the Queen. This is actually interesting in a new combo. It's kind of a weird deck, but it plays well with the new Mirabelle. It's interesting. Cinderella, yeah, this one is a good super rare as well. Put it here. And the foil 0 to Hero. Okay, the first rare on this pack is Minnie. Oh, and another legendary. So it's Alice this time. Growing Girl. And the Cruella foil. Okay, first rare it's Queen of Hearts. Second one is Flynn Rider. Yeah, this one. Oh, nice. And we got an enchanted. Nice, 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 nice. So it's a beast. Relentless. It's one of the enchanteds from this set. Let me actually just pick this one up and put it on a sleeve already. This one is a nice find. Right. So let me put it here next to the others. Nice. Unenchanted. Okay, let's see if we can keep our luck up. Probably not another enchanted, but some good rares. Let's see. Okay, so Grand Duke and Pinocchio. This one also saw some play on aggro decks. And last pack from the center row. Okay. Oh, nice. Hiram. This one is a very important piece on the items decks as well. Nice card to get. And the Shuriken. Okay, down to our last row of the box. Let's see. So far we had only 2 legendaries. Yeah, not counting the enchanted. So there should be some more in here. Let's see. Okay. Chief Bogo. And yep, there we go. Another legendary. So it's Namari. We opened another one. Yeah, it's there. Okay, first rare on this pack is Lucifer and Noi. Okay. About the Mim, this one, it's a good one, we already saw one, and Arthur. This one also saw some play on aggro decks. Oh, and the rare wait set. So first rare here is Dragon Jam, second one is a Ratigan. And the foil bell. Getting down to the last packs. So let's see what else we get. Okay, got a Kronk. Oh, a Lady Tremaine. Yep, this one is also a good card that sees a lot of play. And yeah, as I said, so the set has quite a few good cards in the rares and super rares. Even in the legendaries, like Mufasa or Beast, that saw some play. So, I think it's a cool set to open. Okay, Pack Tactics, Gruesome and Grim, and a super rare foil. Nice, it's the Queen. Again, another card that sees play. Oh, let me put it here. Final 2 packs. Let's see. Cobra Bubbles, Falling Down the Rabbit Hole, and Fairy Godmother. And for our last pack, we got a Honest John. Oh yeah, and another Bell legendary to join the first one we got. Alright, so yeah, that's it for this booster box. So we got, let me pick up here the legendaries we got. It was this 4. Yeah, so less on the legendary sides, but we got an Enchanted Beast, so this one is a nice pull. And Mufasa as well. Mufasa is a card that sees quite a bit of play. For the rest, yeah, we have a few as well playable cards, like Lady Tremaine, sees a lot of play, Cinderella as well. What else we got here on the super rares? Yeah, the Queen and Yzma, they do see play as well. And we got like double Cogsworth and the Queen as well. plus the rabbits and the Madame Mims here on the rare slot. So yeah, this overall is a nice set. It has a lot of interesting cards that even in the common and uncommon they are not worth much, but they see a lot of play, so that's good. Yeah, hope you enjoyed and see you next time.